Good afternoon. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make adjustments to the theme of your Simplebooklet. So the first thing is to log into your account and then head over to the document you want to work on and then click Design. And then from there, you can find the Themes tab, which is right here on your left-hand menu. Right now, I have a theme called Arctic on this one. And as you can see, my navigation is in this darker blue, and it's appearing as white. And we've got a little bit of subtle movement here. And I'm just drawing your attention to that because I want to show you how it changes with different themes. So another one I like is Fresh, which is the sunflower one here. And as you can see, the items on my nav bar have moved. So they're up at the top here, and we no longer have that bar. And so that is the great benefit of themes, is they come with all of the decisions made for you. And that can work really well for you, depending on how many choices you want to make about your document. And there's one other thing I wanted to highlight for you is, let's say you find a theme you really like, which table I also think looks quite good with this. You can go ahead and you can go to your themes here, which is represented as a painter's brush. And let's just save this as table. Great. Okay, so that saved successfully. And let me show you what that means. Is now it appears under my themes here, and I can make this my default for all of my new Simplebooklet documents if I want, or not. It's also, up to you. You can make choices, but this can be really handy, especially if you're doing high volume documents and you want to present a consistent branded look. That would be the place to implement that. So for today, I'm actually going to go back to the Arctic one. And yeah, as you can see, themes are actually very easy to implement, and they're very easy to save as well. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you.